Descale the appliance when the orange light on the button comes on. You should use DeLonghi descaler only. Using unsuitable descaler and performing descaling incorrectly may result in faults not covered by the manufacturer's guarantee. To descale the machine, fill the tank with the descaling solution, diluting with water following the instructions on the pack. Press the on-off button. Make sure the filter holder is not attached and position a container under the cappuccino maker. Wait for the 1 and 2 cup lights to come on steadily, indicating that the appliance is ready for use. Press and hold the steam button for 10 seconds until the 3 buttons flash in sequence. Turn the steam dial to the steam position. Press the button to start descaling. The descale program starts and the descaler liquid comes out of the water spout. The descale program removes limescale deposits from inside the appliance by automatically performing a series of rinses and pauses until the tank is completely empty. During descaling, to clean the boiler outlet, close the steam dial from time to time to deliver small quantities of descaler from the boiler outlet. The appliance stops operation and the orange light continues to flash, indicating that descaling is still underway. The coffee maker is now ready for rinsing through with clean water. Extract the water tank, empty, rinse under running water, fill with fresh water up to the maximum level and put back in the appliance. Empty the container used to collect the descaler solution and replace it empty under the hot water spout. Make sure the steam dial is in the steam position, then press the button to start rinsing. Important: descaling solutions contain ingredients which may irritate the skin and eyes. The manufacturer's instructions given on the descaler pack must be followed at all times.